How to 4 times your sales with the same amount of customers, part 1 of 2. Now, improving your sales is the goal of almost every single business and individual that's selling anything, but in this video I'm going to give you the steps to doing it and ways to hack the system so you can increase your sales for up to 4 times what they normally are with the same amount of customers. Hey, let's get started on this. But before we do, the one thing we really have to hack is we have to hack that subscribe button down there. Hit that subscribe button, make sure you subscribe. It's so very important. I would really appreciate it. And when you subscribe, you're going to see a bell pop up like this. You want to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so that you are notified every single time I do a new video. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. Okay, let's get started right now. I'm going to give you a bunch of ways that you can do this, and I've split this into 2 videos because it's just way too many things you can do for one single video. Number 1, this may sound counterintuitive, but be honest in your sales copy. Okay, be honest. Don't make promises of things that really can't happen. And you know, people have gotten really wise to this over the years. There's been so many scams on our telephones, on our computers, through the mail. I mean, just there's scams everywhere that we've got this like scam alert thing going on where we just don't believe anything. So if you have sales copy that seems a little bit too salesy, if you offer a little bit too much, if you say you could do too much, they're not going to believe it. You're probably going to cost yourself a sale instead of talking more people into it. Now here's an example right here of a PETA ad that got pulled. It said, you wouldn't let your child smoke. Like smoking, eating meat increases the risk of heart disease and cancer, which whatever side you're on is just not true. Number 2 is get more ad clicks with ad extensions. With ad extensions you can put geographic locations, you can put information about your business. Let me see if I can pull up something. Here we go. What do you know, I happen to have it. This is Ray-Ban sunglasses right here, and you see there's ad extensions here. You can go to men's sunglasses, you can go to women's sunglasses. That is an ad extension of a normal ad. Number 3, use testimonials of customers. Testimonials of customers means so very much, and I put one here on the screen here. It's got the guy's name here. It says Wistia. It's got Gary Vaynerchuk of a Wine Library. It's got Tina Roth, Elzenberg of Tatley and Tudux. I have no idea what that is. However, these are testimonials that were found on a site and they're using them efficiently and well. Okay, the next thing you want to do is create a sense of urgency. Now you can actually do this on your website. I want to go over here and show you the screen here first. Okay, here is LL Bean right here, and it says save 10% on your entire order. Offer ends Monday. Use promo code was it NOV10 at checkout. So here's an example of urgency that you could put on your website, and when they see that something's going to end, they know it's important. If you just have a sale price, they go, well, you know what, that's a pretty good sales price. I'm probably going to get that. I'm busy right now, I'll probably get it next week. But if this is Sunday night and they see this ad and it ends Monday, they're probably going to go ahead and buy right now. And that sense of urgency will get you more sales, because the person who says I'm going to get it next week or I'll wait till next week never does. They never go back, they never do it, they forget all about it, they get inundated by other ads and other things going on, and maybe somebody else's urgency gets them. Number 5, offer a bulletproof money back guarantee. Now you may be saying to yourself, well, if somebody buys this and they want their money back, then you know that's not good. I don't want to give somebody's money back. Well, here's the truth. If they buy it and they get their money back, you haven't lost anything, because what you have done is you've gained a bunch of other people who bought because of your guarantee that would not have. Okay, and that is a number that you'll never know, but I can almost promise you you're going to get more sales. You can test it. You could run, you know, 1,000 clicks to one page that offers no guarantee and 1,000 clicks to another page, and I almost promise you you're going to get more sales than the ones that do have a guarantee. Now, will you have some refunds? Of course you will, but generally those refunds never outweigh the amount of sales that you gain by having a really good warranty. Here's one on the screen right here by LifeLock. It's a $1 million LifeLock identity theft service guarantee, and you can read all that stuff if you want. I'm not going to read all that stuff. Okay, Number 6, offer fewer choices. I think that's really important. If you send them to a page and you've got 10 different products for them to pick from, they oftentimes will vacillate and not buy anything. I like to offer them one particular product. That's it. Now you can offer them multiple quantities, 1, 5 or 10 of a product, but it's all the same product. When you start offering multiple products on a page like that, you don't do too well. Number 7, you can target lookalike audiences on Facebook. If you have an audience that's doing really well on Facebook that you've been advertising to, and I do have a Facebook ads course you can find in the description below, you can create lookalike audiences, and what they are is Facebook goes out and finds the demographics of the people that bought from you, and then they go out and find another audience of people that are just like that, the same likes and dislikes and friends and geographic locations and age and income, and I don't know whatever they do out there, but they do a bunch of different stuff, and that'll gain you some more sales too. Number 8, make the checkout process streamlined. You don't want a lot of clicks, you don't want a lot of friction there, you want to make it as easy as possible. I see a lot of websites where you have to put in redundant information. Maybe you got to put your address in twice, you know, maybe you got to click through 4 different screens to get to where you want. You know, Amazon's got it figured out because they have one-click checkout. You're already logged in, they got everything they need on you, you already got a credit card there, they already got your address, they got, I mean, you may want to verify some of this stuff, but one-click checkout, you know, they've actually registered the name one-click checkout because they know it works better and they're going to sell more products. You should take a cue from that. Number 9, provide as many payment options as possible. You know, maybe you want to have Google Pay, maybe you want to have PayPal, you know, maybe you want to have payments on PayPal, maybe you want to have credit cards. You know, we find that the more payment options we have there, the more sales we get. So you do want to offer a whole bunch of different payment options. Number 10, invest in quality product images. You know, we sell food on one of our sites, so we have some pretty good images of that food. That food needs to look good, it needs to be appetizing, but no matter what your product is, make sure you have good product images. I see a lot of people who do drop shipping and they use the images that were on the drop shipper site, and it's the same images you'll see on every single site, and it's not too it doesn't make you want to buy the product. I'll put it that way. They don't look too good. So if you can, you want to make sure you get professional images that look good, really high quality glossy images that are going to sell your product. Number 11, improve your landing pages. Okay, the landing pages that people go to should be of really high quality. They should not have a whole lot of copy unless necessary. All the heavy copy I always have below the fold on the top of the actual page itself. We just want to have the product there and a way to buy the product and what it is and what the price is. Really simple. Okay, don't overcomplicate this. Number 12, you could try this one. This is not something we do, but it is pretty effective, and that's give Gmail ads a try. Gmail ads have really come on strong in recent years, and you can actually target the people through their actual Gmail. Now when you're doing these Gmail ads, you can actually target your competitors' keywords. So some of your competitors, it could be their brand name, it could be their product, something along those lines, but they found that when people are in their email and they're checking their Gmail and they see some of these ads, you know, it can really increase your sales. Now those are some of the things you can do, and I could go into great detail on every single one of those things, but I don't want to do that. I have other videos on this channel that will do that for me. Now rarely do I see a website that's done all of those things that we just went over. Okay, that was how many things? 12 different things, and I have 13 in the next video also, so there's a total of 25. But if you just do some of these, and I think that's the one thing that scares people, they look at this and they go, well, I can't do all 25 of these things, JR, so I might as well not do anything. It's not an all or nothing thing. Once again, I just said that in another video. It is a situation where you look at all the things you can do and you start doing some of them. Just because you can't do all of them doesn't mean you shouldn't do any of them, right? If you added 8 of these or 6 of these to your things that you're doing on a daily basis to sell your products, obviously that's going to improve your sales. But if you do none of these things, obviously your sales are going to remain the same. And I know you want to increase your sales, I know you do, everybody does, and by doing these items right here, you definitely can increase your sales. It will improve your overall bottom line, which is what we want to do. Now I want to hear about what you are selling. What's working for you on your website, what's not working for you on your website. You can communicate directly with me in the comments below. All you gotta do is type your comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. I can't answer everybody, I totally understand that. However, if you have a really good comment, I mean a really good one, I'm gonna pin it to the top so everybody can see it. Okay, so when you put your comments below, you may get your comment pinned to the top, and it's going to get you more recognition as a person who participates. And I will tell you, the people that participate, the people that comment on my videos, are the people who usually do a whole lot better in life in general. Okay, they're proactive people. They don't wait for stuff to happen, they're actively participating. And if you do the same thing, you can be one of those people. You want to be that, right? Now the other thing you can do to really improve your sales is hit my subscribe button down there. How will that improve your sales? Well, if you subscribe, you're going to see more videos. If you see more videos, you're going to know more ways to make money online. Once you subscribe, a bell is going to pop up next to that subscribe button. You want to ring it, turn on all bell notifications. That way you know every single time I do a new video. The other way you can improve your sales is go down there and grab my free course. It's a $97 course. You can get it absolutely free. All you have to do is click and learn. No credit card required. I really appreciate you listening to this video. I really appreciate you being a subscriber. Your comments mean the world to me, so put those in there. Don't forget to ask me questions. If you need help with something on your website, you can put that on there too. You know, I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products. Love helping you out, and if you put those comments below, I can help you directly on a one-on-one basis. You know, I've met a lot of people online through doing these videos, and a lot of times it comes out of the comments down there. Okay, so maybe you want to put a comment, maybe we can meet up, maybe I can help you in some way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And now what you want to do is you want to go to video 2. There will be a link below in the description where you can get to video 2 and watch the second half of this video. So important that you do that. You want to get all the information, don't get part of it. I'll see you over there in the next video. Come on, let's go. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.